Management, Change Management, and Test Plans by Jeff, Kristen, and Grace. What is configuration management? Configuration management is a detailed report, recording, and updating of information that describes an enterprise's hardware and software. Best practices. By building and maintaining a configuration management, have a best practice in mind. They have some benefits such as an improved network availability and lower cost.
Let's do the following. Lower support costs due to a decrease in reactive support issues, lower network costs due to device, circuit, and user tracking tools and processes that identify unused network components. Improved network availability due to a decrease in reactive support costs and improved time to resolve problems. Here are the following issues from a lack of configuration management: inability to determine user impacts from network changes, increased reactive support issues and lower availability, increased time to resolve problems, higher network costs due to unused network components. Before starting this project, make sure you assign roles for the project. Assign the most qualified individual to take charge and execute the plan of action. This would mean the owner of the company or the owner of the project. This could be someone within your company or someone outside of the company. The database administrators, although, are responsible for post-production testing and monitoring.
Here's a flowchart of the steps that will be provided for your configuration management. Create standards. Creating standards for network consistency reduces network complexity, unplanned downtime, and exposure to network impacting events. There are multiple optimal standards such as software version control and management, IP addressing standards and management, naming conventions and domain name system, dynamic configuration protocol assignments, standard configurations and descriptions, configuration upgrade procedures, and solution templates. Choose one of these options above and implement them in your project. Maintain documentation. We recommend you document and record any changes within the network or changes that have occurred within the network in near real time. Validate and audit standards. The configuration management provides to validate and audit network configuration and critical success factors. There are three main configuration indicators such as configuration integrity checks, device, protocol, and media audits, and standards and documentation review. The performance indicator review network and standards documentation to ensure that the information is accurate and up to date.
In order to have an up-to-date and efficient configuration management method. After all is said and done, review those standards again to ensure that it is the right standard for you. Try different options for the company management standards to see which one works best. Here are references if you would like to check out a more detailed report.